Sometimes you may want to edit images. Before, it was like you needed to know editing and you had to have good editing software too. But now it's not like that. With AI, by just giving a prompt, you can edit any photo. In AI tools, one of the most prominent ones is Google Gemini. With Google Gemini, if you want to edit any photo, you can do it easily. In this video, we'll be showing you how to edit a photo using Google Gemini. For this, you need to install the Google Gemini app. It's available in the Play Store and App Store. If you want to use it from the browser too, you can do that. Anyway, I've already installed this app. After that, open the Google Gemini app. And when you're opening it, you'll reach a page like this. Here you can see a plus button. Click on that plus button. And here you can see so many options. From these, you can select gallery if you want to pick a photo from your gallery, or you can select files too. Anyway, for example, I'm selecting gallery. After that, from the gallery, select the photo you want to edit. For example, I want to edit this photo. So I'm clicking on this photo and then click on the add button. And when you click on that, the photo gets added. And after that, here you can see the Ask Gemini option. There you can type what changes you want in this photo. And another trick is, just click on the photo, and here you can see some marking options, then tell it to edit that area only. And even without marking up, you can tell what changes you want. For example, I'm telling it to remove the shoes. After typing that prompt, click on the send button. When you click on it, Google Gemini will generate an image for us. Now here you can see the image has been generated. Here you can see only the shoes are removed. So basically nothing else is changed. The only change in this photo is what I asked for. And if you want to make more changes, here you can tell it what other changes you want. And again, when you click the send button, those changes will be made. Anyway, after this, if you want to save the photo, click on this photo and here you can see the save button. Click on that save button. When you click on it, the photo will be saved to your phone's gallery. Anyway, this way you can easily edit any image in Google Gemini. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.